In this video, we are going to learn how to create fast and creative slides in PowerPoint. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Curve, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Select this and this, delete. Click on right button, duplicate the slide. Select and click on right button. Go to Format Shape, go to Fill, click on Picture or Texture Fill. Go to File. Here I have downloaded pictures from Google. Select and insert it. Duplicate by pressing Ctrl Shift. Select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Cut using Ctrl X and paste here. Duplicate by pressing Ctrl Shift. Change the color of shape. Go to Line, select No Line. Increase transparency. Select this, change the color. Go to Line, select No Line. Go to Shadow, select this shadow from presets. For example, I am adding icon, text box and PPT information here. Now we start the animation. Select this, go to Animation tab, select Wipe. Increase duration size. Select this, click on Animation Painter and apply to this shape. Go to Effect option, select from top. Select Start with Previous, increase delay size. Animate the rest of the shape, icon and text boxes using the Animation Painter and change the direction and delay size. Now click on Slideshow. How beautiful our animation looks. It is amazing and it is also very easy to make. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.